Hello everyone, this is Vishwajit Burman from gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel.
In this video, we discuss or we see how can we format our USB drive using CMD. So first, open your USB drive. Let me show you this PC. Here, this is my USB drive. Now right click there, go to property. If you have NTFS, then it's okay. If you have FAT32, then also remember this thing. Close. I minimize this. Now open CMD with administrator permission. Search for CMD administrator permission. Now from here, first type disk part. Enter. So after that, this part we see here, change into disk part. Now here write list disk disk. We have two disks. One is my main hard disk, my PC hard disk, that is, and this one is my second hard disk. Second hard disk. This is my USB, that's 60 GB. Okay. After that, type command select USB and space, not USB, select disk disk1. Okay, select this one, enter. Now we select this one. Now after that, type CLEAN clean. Now create partition, create partition primary. Okay. Now after that, what we see in our pen drive property or USB property, that any NTFS. So now here we use format fs equal to NTFS and quit. Enter. Now here we see it's show us 100% is successfully format the volume. Now type assign to active the USB. Assign. Now open my computer. It's open empty H drive. Here we can see that we have open empty H drive. At this we see that USB H drive. Okay, format this one, and this is how we can format.
Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to put your queries in our comment box, and check out our gossipfunda blog for more interesting topic. Link in the description box. Please check out. Thank you.